Good morning, USA. Let's go. 600 like that. 1 to 2 result ratio. Last trade of the month. Last trade of the week. Month of June. Let's go. We're heading to the month of July. Everything was sent here as usual and everything was traded live. And I'm gonna send a recap also on YouTube, so make sure to check that out after this video. But this is the beginning. This is the beginning of this vlog. I'm gonna start these vlogs again. I'm just gonna try it out again. Let's get it. People also getting paid, etc. But yeah, this was the last trade of the month. Super solid month, super solid week. Everything was documented, so let's get it. Yo man, I remember this one thing that I need to tell you guys. That good news for you guys. I created literally the free course section, literally free course for you guys, because I'm allowing to everybody have a opportunity to learn, make money. So this is your chance, bro. Join today for free, completely for free. Get access to the free education, chat with others, and just level up in trading. Let's get it. But I'm gonna head outside soon, okay? Guys, I'm at the gym. It's currently Saturday. Yesterday that I posted those recent videos that I recorded, it was from yesterday, Friday, but it doesn't really matter because I know it's a day in life, but you feel me, it's like, it's still weekend, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, eat some food, then go outside with some homies. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, I'm back home. I kind of switched my table to the corner like that, and you're gonna see it in the relatively new videos that I'm about to post soon. You're gonna see the different angle, you know, trying something new, new mindset. Nah, I'm kidding. Same old mindset, same old goals. Money chasing, no hope. What I was saying? What was I saying? Same old mindset, same goals. Money, more problems. Too many hoes. I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, man. Just, do you know some other trader who knows how to rhyme like this? Not taking a piss. What, you want a little kiss? Nah. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, now I'm gonna go to the shower, eat some food, and then I'm gonna go outside, see some friends, and you feel me. But I like this new setup. I ain't gonna lie. I like this new setup. Guys, honestly, let me know what you think about these kind of videos. Let me know in the comment section down below, and down below. Yo, man, we came here to fish. Let's get it. All right, man, I don't know what to tell you about. You know, it's lovely weather. You feel me? It's like, yo. One thing I gotta tell you guys. I hang around with people with the same ambition. Let me show you, okay? This is my friend who does drop shipping. He made 1.2K today. This is the different currency, but that's 1.2K. You can search that up. And my point is, you gotta hang around with the people who have the same ambition and goals. I do day trading, he does drop shipping, and you gotta hang around with the people who has the same ambition and goals. That's why I have the Discord where you can join. Join from the description. Okay, let's get it. Damn, guys, look at this shit. Life is good, bro. Look. You see that? That's one bird, and those are two birds inside of him. Hope that makes sense. Not inside. Top of him. Top of them. I think that's you know. Yo, I'm out here just thinking. It's currently like it's like 12:15 p.m. or a.m. I'm not sure, but it's like nighttime. But I'm still up here chilling. But the thing is, I'm gonna fix my sleeping schedule. I'm trying to wake up like 5:30 and just say fuck it, bro. Let's fix this sleeping schedule. I know I said this many times, but it's summer. You know, it's hard, but yeah, feel me? We gotta fix that sleeping schedule and start posting giving you guys this value. By the way, we had an amazing month. Hope you did too. But the thing here is, whatever happened, bro. Did you lose money? Did you win money this month? Doesn't matter, bro. Did you learn? That's the thing. Did you develop? Did you gain knowledge? That's the main thing, bro. Take notes. Okay, take notes. Alright guys, that is that. Let's get it. Let me know what you thought about this video. Comment down below and let me know if you want more of these. If you enjoyed, if you learned. Let's get it. Join the free Discord from the description. Let's get it. Peace out.